Alright, so check it out. We're at Walmart. I got my Newbeedrone here, and we're about to do some gorilla whooping. Zora, we're going to push it to the limits.
Man, forget going to the club to meet something new. When I want me something new, I go get me a basket, and I go walk around Walmart. All the women be in Walmart, you hear me?
Come on!
I'm going to Walmart. She going to Walmart. They going to Walmart. They be at Walmart. We going to Walla World. Walmart. She going to Walmart. They going to Walmart. They be at Walmart. We going to Walla World.
So we're in Walmart, and we're going to gorilla whoop here shortly. I'm trying to keep the camera on me, but it is happening. It's happening tonight at Walmart. We're about to throw down. I'm going to put the Newbeedrone up, and hopefully we won't get kicked out of here tonight.
Basket. What's your name? What's your number, girl? Ooh, oh, what's your name? What's your number? Ooh, what's your name? What's your number, girl? Ooh, oh, what's your name? What's your number? Ooh, she making grocery. She making grocery. She got Louisiana purchase. She got Louisiana purchase card. Ooh, she got Louisiana purchase. She got Louisiana purchase card. She got Louisiana purchase card. Louisiana purchase.
Come on!
Walmart. She going to Walmart. They going to Walmart. They be at Walmart. We going to Walla World. Walmart. She going to Walmart. They going to Walmart. They be at Walmart. We going to Walla World. She in that lingerie section. She in that lingerie section. She in that lingerie section. She buying boy shorts. She buying panty hoes. She buying Summer's Eve. She buying Mastergal. She keep her body clean. She buying Summer's Eve. She buying Mastergal. She keep her body clean. She buying Gush. She buying Gush.
Come on!
Walmart. She going to Walmart. They going to Walmart. They be at Walmart. We going to